9 reasons to choose a black interior door for your home. Dear friends, home is where we breathe peacefully and create memories with our beloved family. So, renovating a home and decorating with special care and love is what all of us wish. Every home and every interior has something special and is woven with love, affection, and colors. While trying to convince yourself to choose the perfect color for your interior doors, the black color will never disappoint you. Black has always been in vogue and never fails to go with any color. The entire view of your room or any huge space changes completely by having a beautiful interior door. 9 reasons to choose a black internal door. Set up a frame. While setting up a black interior door, if you also wish to have panels in between, it would give an overall picture frame effect to your room. Black doors give a picturesque view no matter what other colors are present. Even the other side of the room would give a picture frame appearance because of a black door. Strike the right balance with your black furniture. One of the primary reasons to select a black door is to pair it up with a piece of black furniture in the room. Do you have a black closet or a wardrobe? Or a black dressing table or a tiny compact shoe rack? Having a black door just strikes the right balance and blends with the decor, thus completing that perfect look of your interior. Conceal the dust and filth. The power of black lies in its beauty and simplicity. It can conceal stains and dirt due to which they remain unnoticeable. Unlike black, other colors tend to get dirty faster with visible dirt. Enhance the interior of your home. Contrasts have always been in the trend. Walls painted with contrasting colors or different tones of a single color often look good. Getting a framed black internal door would just pep up the overall look of your home. A simple black internal door can just highlight the whole look of a room. Adds drama to your place. Subtle colored doors give a modern look to rooms, but when you choose black, it gives a bold appearance altogether. Internal black doors are classic and modern at the same time. It goes with all kinds of decor and furnishings. They also complement the modern and traditional home style and can blend seamlessly. Adding a black door makes it all the more dramatic yet bold. Accompaniment to dark flooring. If your flooring is dark colored, then you may want to avoid any more dark colors for your room. But black doors simply blend with any dark color, making the appearance of the room even more lovely and inviting. Get a stock door look. Glossy look or matte finish. Your stock doors can have a makeover with black paint. You can recreate a stunning and rich look by turning it into a black door. Simply putting a splash of black color on your door can bring back all the charm and change the entire look of your space. To add to its look, you can place a cute little key holder on the door. Adds shine in the room. The depth of black color has always lured home decor and interior experts. Having a mirror for a reflective feel is okay, but going by the trends, a shiny black is more than intense for a room. Imagine having decors and matte furnishings everywhere. What can add shine to the room? Try a black door with a glossy touch or simply a plain matte finished black interior door. Black doors make ceilings look taller. With a black interior door, you tend to hallucinate and feel that the room's ceilings are actually taller. A simple black door can change the game even if your walls and ceilings are painted with subtle light colors like white. Conclusion: elevate your room or any personal space and recreate it with a beautiful black door. Experimenting with different shades of black on a dull door will transform and surprise your guests. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.